Getting the most out of your graphics card for iScaf. Let's start by looking at the customization icon at the very bottom right of the iScaf screen. If we click on this, we see that there are a number of different options available for your iScaf customization. Please be careful here because most options have already been set correctly for you, with one of them being the graphics performance option, which should be switched on with a tick symbol. Click if you wish to turn it on. This will show as a light blue circle also at the bottom right corner of the screen, right here. You need to right-click on this option, then left-click on Graphics Performance, and the Graphics Performance dialog will appear. In most cases, hardware acceleration should be turned on. Here, it also shows the graphics card and video driver that you're currently using. In some situations, if you have some faulty hardware or an incompatible graphics card, it may be better to turn this option off. This is something you can try out on your system. So, hardware acceleration is on here, and we can click OK to accept the settings. Just be aware that there are other options here that you can try and experiment with as well. Let's click OK. This option can also be accessed by typing the command at the iScaf command prompt. The command is graphics config. Type graphics config and press enter at the prompt, and the same dialog box will appear. You can try hardware acceleration with your background PDF files or various 3D and visual styles to see what is best for your PC.